Experiencing data issues with ALDI Mobile on your iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. ALDI Mobile, as an MVNO, sometimes faces data connectivity problems. The most common reasons are incorrect APN, access point name settings, network congestion, or device-specific bugs. The good news is, most of these are easily fixed. We'll start with the quickest solutions. First, try resetting your network settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. On Android, it's usually under Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. This clears temporary glitches. Also, make sure your SIM card is properly inserted and that you have good signal strength. Aim for 4+ bars. If resetting your network doesn't work, you likely need to manually configure your APN settings. This tells your phone how to connect to ALDI Mobile's data network. APN stands for Access Point Name, which is a gateway that connects your device to the carrier's data network. The correct APN settings depend on whether you're in the US or Europe. For the US on Verizon or AT&T networks, the APN is typically wholesale, with the MMSC as hey/wholesale.mmsmvnoc and MMS proxy 260.155.165.5D 8080. For Europe, it varies by country, so check the ALDI Mobile website for your specific region. It might be something like internet.eplus.da. To enter these settings on iPhone, you might need a configuration profile from ALDI Mobile. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, or Network and Internet, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. Add a new APN using the settings provided by ALDI Mobile. After saving, select this new APN and restart your phone. These steps will get you back online in no time.